In this video, I'm going over 3 accessories that all riders can benefit from. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and tips to keep you safe. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more like this. Let's go. So aside from your motorcycle gear, motorcycle accessories are essential. The first accessory is a battery tender. A battery tender is a small automatic battery charger that turns on and off as needed to keep your motorcycle battery at optimum charge level. Most motorcycles of today come with a lot of tech like alarms, GPS, and diagnostics, and these things can really do a number on draining a battery with time. Another thing is that a lot of riders do store their bikes away once the riding season is over, and leaving your bike without an automatic battery charger will lead to it losing all of its charge. The second accessory on this list is a cover for your motorcycle. A good motorcycle cover will help protect your bike from things like sun damage, rain, and any other pollutants that can cause harm to your bike. Even if you store it inside of a garage, a cover will protect it from dust and accidental scratches. You should always protect your bike from the elements as much as possible. Be sure to like this video if you've gotten some value from it. The last accessory on this list is a motorcycle-specific backpack. If you commute or go on short trips, having a backpack is just essential, but having a motorcycle-specific backpack is key. The best ones are really constructed to be as comfortable as possible when you're in the riding position. They also do keep your safety in mind, as they do usually come with a pocket for back armor. I went on for many years with just a regular backpack, but switching to a motorcycle backpack has been a game changer. So what are some accessories you guys use on your bikes? Let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.